All right, so we're going to do some initial level sanding, and I'm just going to show you my process and the products I'm using. All my sanding, all my finishing supplies come from Wood Essence out of Saskatoon, and Jeff there is a great guy, runs a really great shop there, and what I'm using is a 3-inch attachment that you would put on a drill, but I don't like using a drill. I really like using just my hand when I do this. And I'll do a combination of running my Mirka 3-inch Galaxy discs with the attachment, working in small areas, or I'll do it by hand and I'll just grip it and be flat on the surface. So we're going to be doing that, show you how nicely this product works on the Anthem Finish. Now the Anthem is a finish that comes out of Wood Essence, and it's this is obviously a clear coat. It can be tinted and it can be used pigments in it, and I'm testing it out